To the bro that said, hey dude, get a lip, make the car look lower. I heard you out, bro. The only thing that's clapped on this car is lower valence. I guess the dude kind of like smacked something or got stuck on the curb and kind of like bent the little core support. I don't know if I have a clip of this, but we used some like backyard engineering to straighten it out with the crane, like an engine hoist. Moving on, it was just not repairable. So to the brother that said get the lip, the lower valence with the IS lip. I heard you. To ensure that this lip is not gonna fall off, I'm gonna screw it in a couple places with some self-tapping screws. Yeah, so I'm pulling up. Whoa! I think I did 3-wheel motion. I'm pulling up to David's right now. Since he's wrenching on the Rover, I felt like I'll be wrenching on the Beamer. It's just better to be wrenching with the bros, you know what I mean? That shit gets lonely when you're by yourself. Oh, look what we have here. Special guest in the building. How you doing, Fritz?
What's up?
And anybody know Fritz? Fritz broke the drift car.
When do we break this one?
Alright, we're both wrenching. It's wrench day. We're gonna go ahead and swap the Land Rover and the E30. Land Rover's getting painted, the hood, and E30's getting new valence. Both of these cars are about to transform, yo. Right now, let me show you how the E34. Let me show you how the E30 is looking. Oh shit! Clapped out BMW is what I specialize in. Fritz, alright, tell the people what you just did.
What?
Like, if you guys don't know, I bought a new lens. I don't know if you can see it or not.
So if you're shooting at 1.4, your aperture is like open wide, so you can shoot in the dark.
Dude.
But with that, even when it's like wide open, if it's like bright outside, you can still shoot at 1.4 with that.
Turn this around. Look at this. This is wild. I mean, you already know how it looks, but it's just so crazy to see. I'm gonna go buy one. Let's go buy one right now. Dude, I feel like with this setup, you literally can make anything interesting. It's like a cheat code.
Like you have that camera, you have that lens. Might as well like add a filter to it so you could use something to its full potential.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Fritz, man. I haven't seen it in a long time. Call it even for breaking the drift car. I literally.
Wait, I already did though.
Oh shit! Damn, dude, you actually know how to sand.
Yeah.
Wow.
See the crosshatch?
Yeah. when I was doing the bodywork, I did not understand cross hatching, but you got it down, bro.
Yeah, I'm still missing like the edges. There's still kind of have some clear that need to be sanded off. Like right here, you can still see the cracked clear.
Gotcha.
I kind of missed these spots. I kind of have to go through it again.
How long does this take you?
Not even that long. We just wet sanded it.
Nice. Not gonna lie, this is day 2. What happened to day 1? I don't know. But we always roll over. Check this out, dude. I just bought this spray. This shit smells beautiful. Tell me what it smells like.
Smells like an old BMW.
It's like this spray enhances it. All right, this is where you guys could sniff. You smell it? It smells good, huh? Imagine the people are actually like, in the future, that's what's gonna come to. We're gonna be able to sniff. All right, let me show you the actual lip because I didn't get no shots yesterday. Beautiful sunny day. Goddamn, beautiful. All right, here, let me just show you. Now all I'm missing is just the blinker covers, but the car, goddamn, this car's getting way too much love. Like I haven't never treated a car like this before. I got a box.
What's that?
Do you want even? You got a knife?
Welcome to Christian's unboxing YouTube channel.
Oh shit! You see a mosquito?
No, that's from China, bro. We gotta disinfect the Rona.
Alright. Okay, let's see what we got. So far we got a snorkel.
Oh shit, look at that. Carbon fiber with fucking extra scratches.
Wow.
You know?
I am that dude now.
Yeah.
Damn. That actually looks like it did not come from eBay.
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
Came from what, eBay Canada or something? Or eBay Mexico?
Yeah, I don't know. eBay China. Quick trip to AutoZone. We'll be right back. You haven't felt the power yet, huh?
Yep.
Aha, perfect. I fucking hit the camera with my... Oh my god. Sorry. Damn. She came in fucking hot. She was driving fast.
Fuck.
It's quick, huh?
Yep.
It's addicting, bro. It's now day 3. And yeah, I still have a white t-shirt on. To be honest, I kind of have like a shitload of these brand new. So I'm not just wearing the same thing. I did wear 2 shirts in 3 days, so I did wear it once. Check it out. Hey Dave, what we got going on, man? You've been putting in work.
I'm just trying to test out if we've sanded it far enough. I just want to see the texture now. So we're doing a little test area.
Let's see. This shit is gonna be wet.
That's good, right?
Yeah, it's very shiny. It's very wet.
Very wet. Very wet.
Yeah, this one looks really good. Hanging out with David, got inspired to paint the bottom trim because it was all faded black.
Get tacky on it.
Hell no, look at that. Oh shit.
Give it the one.
It's like peeling off the red. Oh, let's see how this came out. Wow. Damn, dude.
That's the best I could with the rattle can, dude.
That looks good though. Good shit, dude. So we just wait for it to dry some more?
I have to wait until tomorrow.
Oh, and then color sand?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I literally lost track of what day it is. But let me just show you the final result. I'm sneaking to David's house right now. He doesn't know. I called him, but he's busy. I can hear the fucking car going. But, look at this. It's dusty, but goddamn, this was a rattle can job. Look at. Now we're gonna do this whole side of it. Hey, Charlie. I didn't want to break in, but I did call you.
Oh shit, I couldn't hear my phone.
What are you doing?
I was moving it, but it died, so I'm letting it warm up.
Oh, okay, yeah, I heard the car. I was like, yeah, he's probably like can't hear shit. This is what I've been doing for the last like 2 hours. Yeah, you know when that YouTube recommendation page starts getting wacky? But this is what David's been doing. This is how it used to look. Alright, this side.
I think you can see it most here, dude.
This side. Where are you?
Oh, this.
Oh, all that skunky stuff. Oh, we got a clay bar this one. Wash it. Alright, we're finally done. I mean, we're gonna transform the truck fully and then give it a review because not many people know of this truck. And it's a pretty sick ass truck. Alright, see you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, all FM, YouTube stuff. Your boy's out. Anything to the people? Charlie got something for you guys.